Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 29th, 2025, and we're analyzing Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. We'll be looking at recent news headlines to help us understand how to interpret the Tesla charts. First off, Barron's is reporting that Tesla barely eked out a gain and the $300 level is back in play. The Motley Fool calls this TSLA's moment of truth. The street says that Elon Musk is getting more bad news as a rival launches an anti-Tesla. Trump's first 100 days are seeing Tesla surprising some people. IBD says Tesla is extending its rally. Benzinga says Tesla is a trending coin today. Let's see what the charts say. Let's start with the daily chart to get the big picture. We can see considerable volatility over the past year. There was a high near $488 in December 2024 and a low near $140 in April 2024. There was a large rally from around April 22, 2024 to July 1, 2024, where it went from $142 to $209. A move that large is considerable. A rally like that is not surprising given the Dow Jones news that Tesla rallied following Q1 earnings, while Nvidia slid. Airbnb's co-founder also invested over $1 million in Tesla stock, according to MarketWatch. But the overall trend this year has been mostly downward. There's a large green candle near the end. Let's zoom into a time frame that starts February 1st, 2025 and ends today, April 29th, 2025. We can see a recent rally. A potential resistance point might be around $288 to $290, near where the big red candle formed on March 3, 2025. This candle had a high of $303.94 and a low of $277.30. I will consider that whole range to be some resistance. A support level we may look at is around $220, where we can see candles consolidate before the big green candle on April 9, 2025. That green candle also had a massive move, showing that Tesla can still surprise investors with large swings up. Let's now look at the hourly chart near the big green candle on April 9, 2025 to better understand that movement. The daily chart shows such large candles that viewing the hourly will let us peer inside them. Let's zoom to the date range of April 8, 2025 to April 11, 2025 to capture that candle. It looks like it moved from $230 to around $274 in the course of a day, which is a 20% move. Not bad. Let's look more recently at the hourly chart for April 28, 2025. Zooming into the last day on the hourly, we see a relatively flat day of trading on April 28, 2025, with high and low prices of $294 and $272. This suggests that Tesla may be consolidating before its next big move, which supports the idea that the $300 range may come into play. Given the recent negative news, I think it's more likely that Tesla may be bearish in the short term. However, the news about Elon Musk's Q1 performance is something to consider in the long term as well. If he can deliver another impressive quarter, we may retest all-time highs. I would consider this to be the less likely outcome. So, to recap, in the short term, watch for it to test $220. Long term, watch for it to test $488.